Good day, sir. I am Midshipman John Chloe Custodio, and today I will discuss watertight integrity and the importance of keeping it within the ship. So let us first all know what is watertight integrity. Unsa may role niya sa usa ka vessel. So watertight integrity on a ship refers to the ability of its hull and internal compartments to prevent water from entering, essentially ensuring that the vessel remains afloat even if a section is damaged. By maintaining sealed, watertight bulkheads and closing devices like doors and hatches across different compartments, which is crucial for the safety of the ship and its crew in case of flooding or breaches. Without proper watertight integrity, a ship could rapidly flood and sink. So, when we talk about watertight integrity of a ship, it reminds us how important it is for the safety of the vessel. That is why every ship kay naa watertight integrity plan or aron ma-prevent ang water ingress that could lead to flooding or even worse, makapsize ang vessel. Because of this, watertight integrity plays a big role sa pag-maintain sa ship's stability and overall safety. And that is why I am going to discuss now. So, we have here one of the function of watertight integrity. That's why I provided an image for us to visualize unsa jud forma and idea ning watertight integrity, particularly the watertight compartments. So, as you can see in the image, the ship is divided into different compartments through watertight bulkheads. Makita pod nato nga naay usa ka compartment nga na-damage o gisudlan sa tubig, which we call water ingress. Pero ang ubang compartments kay closed o dili masudlan sa tubig since ang tubig naara sa usa ka area or compartment. Then dili siya makaspread sa tibuok barko. And because of this, the ship can still stay afloat and stable. Maybe makakos siyag tilt or gamay nga effect sa ship stability, but dili siya mo sink dajon. In other instances, watertight integrity also contributes stability sa vessel kay it controls water distribution gamit tong mga watertight compartments aron ma-maintain ang ship stability. So, all in all, the advantage of watertight bulkheads o compartments ilang ginalimit ang flooding o gi-protect ang safety sa barko o sa mga crew. So, that's all. Thank you and God bless everyone.